Alright, so I took the intake off right there, basically it's part of the intake, but it's the intake tube from the filter, air filter. So now you can see I gotta take this tube off here and clean it. Gotta take that sensor off, replace it. I can't really see in here much better, but sprayed all that shit down with penetrating oil. That way it'll hopefully loosen up. I'm not gonna mess with that just yet. I'm gonna do the other side first and start cleaning it. And then hopefully I don't lose too much coolant when I take that off, because I really don't want to drain out the whole fucking coolant system. So this is what I was telling you about whenever I met up with you, Norm. See the coolant? I got a fucking coolant leak somewhere. I don't know where it's at. I don't know if it's the radiator or one of the fucking hoses up top and then it's draining down or what, but I can't find where it's at. Been looking, but I have no idea where it's coming from. So, I don't know. So yeah, that can wait a while though, because it might need a new radiator. I don't know. So, but for now, I'm just going to concentrate on getting it running right. So now I'm going to start taking all this shit off. First thing I'm going to take off is the IMAP sensor up here. See how bad that is, and then take this off. Take these two bolts out and pull this off. This is called the Venturi tube. And then pull the pipe off from the EGR, see how nasty that is, and then I'll pull the intake off after that. See how nasty everything is inside.